SysCloud Backup for Microsoft 365 is designed to help users quickly recover lost Outlook, OneDrive, People, Calendar, SharePoint, and Teams data from accidental deletions, ransomware attacks, and other data loss incidents. In this video, we would like to take you on a quick tour of SysCloud's Microsoft 365 backup application. Setting up SysCloud Backup for Microsoft 365 is very simple. You can securely connect your Microsoft 365 accounts, select domains, users, apps, and define the retention periods for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day, and you will have access to an intuitive dashboard that gives you single-click access to the backup archives of all your connected accounts. You can also see how your backups are progressing and view any critical errors that might affect your backups and restores. Locating lost Microsoft 365 data is always a breeze. You can search the backup archives using advanced filters like email subject, created date, keywords in metadata, and more depending on the app you want to restore. With SysCloud, you can effortlessly restore data to the same Microsoft 365 user or a different user account in the domain while keeping the sharing permissions and folder structure intact. You can also restore files to their original location or to a separate folder. Our snapshot feature allows you to easily restore or export an older version of the data at any given point in time. Keep a track of all your restores and exports using our granular report feature. You can easily manage the restore workload by assigning additional admin roles and authorizing end users to restore and export their own files. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to safeguard and manage data for their critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today. SysCloud, we have your back.